Okay, maraming salamat sa pagtulong ninyo at pakikisa sa pagpupulong na ito upang pag-usapan ang ating Clean Drive project. Inyong palagay or kung sino yung may suggestion, maaaring sabihin ninyo o yung kahit ninyo para naman po sa ating karagdagang ideya para po mas lalong mapaganda ang ating proyekto. Sige, SK, ikaw.
Okay, bilang SK po ng ating barangay, ako po yung mauuna para sa mga kabataan, nahigayatin po sila na makiisa sa ating gagawin pong proyekto ng Clean Drive. Para po sa mas maganda po kung marami po tayo para sa mas gumanda po yung ating program.
Kayo, anong may suggest yung mga konsihalas natin?
Maganda po yung topic na so po. Tuturuan po natin kayo para sa programa.
Leadership is being able to inspire others, motivate, set a vision, communicate, respect others, and of course lead by example. They must be calm, polite, and sensitive while taking decisions. At the same time, he must also be firm and strict. A leader must have an honest understanding of who they are, what they know, and what they are capable of, and must be able to initiate work and create confidence in his group. A good leaders create a positive working environment where everyone feels valued and appreciated. Effective leaders not only have a clear vision, but they also have the ability to execute the vision. They are able to rally people around a common goal and motivate them to achieve it.
Ako. Bilang...
Sabihin mo naman na natin.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, maraming salamat sa pagtulong.
Yan na ha. Para kunwari, totoo.